to you guys enjoy the ride. Yeah.
No lightning lane stuck in. Have a good one.
And please watch your children. Please take small children by the hand and watch your step on the even line.
Hi.
The sliding doors in your time machine close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. Please watch your children. The sliding doors on your time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. Please watch your children.
During your slow movement journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety,
This is Spaceship Earth Control. Welcome aboard. On behalf of Brotherton, please join William Brown pressing your foot in time travel towards
the world we know today, and then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. Here, in this hostile world, is where our story begins. We are alone, struggling to survive, until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can have peace and survive together. Recording our knowledge on K4. What's K4? When we move, the recorded knowledge is behind. Now let's move ahead to execution, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian pounding reeds cat is inventing papyrus, a soothsayer. Papyrus in turn creates better records, plans, designs, and unfortunately taxes. But it also brings the dawn of progressive civilization. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the solution is to translate they create a common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? That's the nation. They invented it. roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed and lost forever. Or so we think. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly, calling books by hand. Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now novels can travel as fast as these new books and translate universe. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance.
Deadline for late against all odds. Americans get the O's on 4 gold medals and the heart of the crowd here in the 1936 Olympics. Congratulations.
By now, we're communicating from anywhere on Earth. 1969. Send a man to the moon. We have to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first very large, very expensive computers, but we see the potential. What if everyone could have one of these amazing machines in their own house? This is one problem. They're as big as a house. The solution company of Refurb, a garage in California. Young people with passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that goes with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. Here we are, a truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
Before you return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention! You are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention. Please remain seated.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're off. You don't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots. You'll reach your city home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. Since you like to wing it, your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax and take things as they come. You'll never get bored on the journey because your car's holographic gaming technology keeps you connected to friends back home. Travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you can dive right in. It's like it's going to be a great big beautiful tomorrow. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place.
Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from the doors and step carefully onto the moving platform.
The doors will open automatically. We're going to head down this way to the next house.